So you can see that I'm in the sculpting mode inside of Blender, and if I were to use my brush and click and drag it, you can see that all of the areas are affected. So now, in order to just work around with a certain section, you can use something called box hide on the left side. So you can see that this is the tool, and if I were to click and drag around in this section, you can see that it seems as if I deleted that section right here. So whatever section I selected, it seems as if that area is empty. And now what I can do is I can go around and then hide out areas according to what I like. And that is how the section will be hidden. It's not deleted, but it is hidden. If I were to go around over here onto the brush tool now, click and drag this around, you can see that this is what happens now. So I can click and drag this right here, click and drag this around just like this. What happens is that you can just go around and then click and drag this out. So now if I were to go around over here and press Alt-H on my keyboard, this is what happens. So the area which was hidden is not affected. Only the other areas are affected, as you can see right here. And if I were to click and draw this out, this is what happens. You can go around and then affect everything out right there. So you want to work around with just a certain section again, you can go to box hide and then click and drag this out right here, and then this is what happens. You can go around over here and then click and drag this out right here just like this, and then this is how box hide actually works around. You can go around over here, you can go around like just draw it around right here, draw it around over here as well, and this is what happens. So you can go around over here, and if I were to click on Alt-H, this is what happens. So only that area which was visible got affected, as you can see. So if I were to go around, turn on smooth shading, you can see that this is how it actually works. And that is how you can use the box hide feature inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.